Hi everyone, hope you're doing really well. Winter is upon us and I have just received my haul from Petite Studio. I've got some pieces from their winter collection, so I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing, show you each one, and of course try them all on and do some styling, so it should be fun. I featured Petite Studio pieces in previous videos, so you may know they are an indie brand out of New York City, and they are really the leading brand for petite fashion for women. This first piece is a knit cardigan sweater and very thick and soft. I can tell it's going to be super cozy and warm when I wear it, and love a good Fair Isle print in the winter time. And Fair Isle is actually super on trend right now. It's a collared style, which I think is nice because it's going to give you more options for, buttoning up. It's got the dark brown wood toggle buttons. I got a size small. I could fit an extra small. I do like my sweaters to be a little bit oversized or just roomy in case I want to layer, so I think this is going to be perfect. The colors are beige, brown, and ivory, and it also comes in a charcoal gray, which is really nice. I may get that one as well, but this one is just very soft and pretty and classic. And it is made out of, it's a wool blend, so wool, nylon, and acrylic. This is definitely going to be one of my winter wardrobe staples. This next piece is another sweater, and I was curious to see what this would look like in real life. And it is a chunky knit, which is what I was hoping it would be. Again, I got this in a size small. This one is a little bit more cropped, but I just wanted to make sure it was going to be roomy and kind of a little oversized. The color is gray, but it's kind of like different shades of gray in the yarn, and it's also got some silver metallic threads running through it, if you can see that. So that's a nice touch that makes it look more high-end. It's got the dark brown toggle buttons, but there's actually buttons behind where you fasten it. So these are just for decorative purposes. There's cute little button detail on the cuffs. If you're looking for a chunky sweater, I would recommend this one because it is not easy to find chunky sweaters that work on petites, because you don't want anything that's going to be too bulky or overwhelming on your small frame. And this one, of course, because it's cut to fit a petite, is really nice. The main body is made of 100% wool. Again, I think you can dress it up or down, wear it with jeans, which I probably will do. You can layer it with a white t-shirt inside, and or wear it over a dress. I would call this heavyweight. Really, really warm, and yeah, super cute. The next piece is a pair of wool trousers in basic black, and these are a straight leg style, and they fit me perfectly in the length, which is one of the reasons why Petite Studio has become one of my go-to brands, because everything fits me, the arm length, the pant length. I have never had to take anything for alterations, and alterations are really expensive. So I would prefer to invest in some really nice petite size pieces and be able to wear them right out of the package. That to me is really important. They are fully lined, which is really nice for wool pants. And you've got the cute little button detail on the pockets, and then there's a couple pockets on the back. And Petite Studio are always good at these really small details that give their pieces an extra stylish touch, which I always appreciate. I got one skirt. It's a dark charcoal gray, and it's, oh, it's really nice. Box pleated midi skirt. Love this style. And it's got like the menswear inspired details with the belt loops. I think it looks so much better when you want to wear a belt. I got this one in extra small because it is a full skirt, and I was afraid a small might be just too big and I'd be drowning in it. And it looks about right to me. So this color goes with everything. It's a really nice structured style, nice weight. The fabric is really thick, and it's also fully lined. It's got the side zip closure for easy on and off, and let's see what it's made out of. I always check the fabric content of things I'm buying. Polyester, wool, and spandex, so a bit of stretch, which is nice, and it is machine washable. Yay! Love to see that. So this would look great with, you know, sweaters, cardigans, jackets, and I would wear it with long boots, flats, and heels. So another great staple piece for winter. I'll have links to all of these pieces in the description box below, and a 25% off discount code if you want to take advantage of that, if you are looking for some beautiful and stylish winter pieces for your petite fashion wardrobe. I got a pair of jeans. I have several pairs of Petite Studio jeans, and I love them all. And this is the Caden mid-rise straight leg. I got a size small because with jeans as well, I do like to size up generally. I just like it to fit a little bit more relaxed and maybe slightly on the baggy side. I don't want them too tight. That's just me, and it just feels more comfortable to me. Again, the length fits me perfect right off. It's straight leg, but it's not a slim leg. It is more of a, to me, a relaxed straight leg. Really nice. It is a medium weight denim, medium wash with some distressing, and the denim is really nice and soft. I really love the quality of Petite Studio denim. Check, it is cotton and spandex. It's got the leather patch on the back. Love my new jeans. Got some more denim. This is a pair of winter white jeans. I really love white jeans all year round. Again, I got a size small, and I chose this style because it said in the description, relaxed structured leg. So you can see they are like a wide leg cropped, which is very on trend right now. It's like more rigid, still soft and comfortable though, and really like the embroidered logo detail on the back. It makes it look really high end, and it is made of 100% cotton, which gives it the structure. I love that white jeans go with everything, every color. You could do some nice high contrast looks with some of the deeper winter colors, and white jeans, they just look crisp and fresh and can elevate any outfit while still looking really casual. Okay, this last piece is the one that I was most excited about because it looked gorgeous on the website. So it is a wool coat in this charcoal gray color, and it's a scarf coat. So here's the matching scarf. Can't wait to try it on and see what it looks like. So here it is. It's So soft. This is such a beautiful, high quality, high end looking piece, and the charcoal gray, great neutral for winter. I absolutely love it. I can tell it's just really beautiful quality right off. So a couple buttons here, and then there's a belt as well to create some shape, because this is a relaxed style. I got it in an extra small. It's got the 2 pockets on the side. And let's look at the exact fabric content. Wool, camel hair, and mulberry silk. I have never had a jacket made out of those materials. Camel hair, that is something really new to me, and it sounds very luxurious and exotic. This jacket also comes in a dark chocolate brown, which is beautiful and very rich looking. And here is the scarf, and you can just, you know, throw it over one shoulder like this. Looks very elegant and classy. And I just can't say enough about this jacket. The feel of it, the style, the materials. I am super excited and can't wait to wear this. I really hope you liked all the winter outfits that I got to show you, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe below. That would be very appreciated, and I will see you in the next one.